Established in the year 2017, Soko Aerial, an end-to-end commercial enterprise, employs the use of highly sophisticated unmanned aerial vehicles, popularly known as drone technology solutions. Aerial inspection, surveillance, and data analytics, with its vision of becoming the premier service provider using UAV technologies to support industries and security within the West African region to achieve its optimum goals. Soko Aerial effectively process, analyze, and distribute refined aerial data to suit the needs of its clients in their respective sectors. Soko Aerial, through consistent and effective research, has identified that aerial data solution as an application can help in identifying problems plagued in sectors such as infrastructure, agriculture, security and disaster management, commerce and education. Soko believes that with its solution-oriented UAV technology, it can contribute immensely in the areas identified based on groundbreaking pilot projects undertaken with its partners Mate Engineering Limited, Rex Geomatic Consult, Signal Training School of the Ghana Armed Forces, who together drives innovation using new technologies to explore the possibilities of UAV application services to solve business problems whilst creating new businesses. It is worth noting that Soko Aerial's operations are of commercial value, improving safety and efficiency, and always looks forward to offering top-notch technology solutions to complex issues. With a highly motivated and professional staff led by its CEO Kofi Owusu-Edusei, Soko has trained a vast number of security officers in the military, forestry commission, geometry, electrical, electronics, and telecommunications students, as well as interested persons with the desire of acquiring a skill set in UAV operations. This, however, includes a 12-year-old primary 6 pupil of the Armed Forces Primary School in Birmingham. Having received and nominated in a number of awards, Team Soko is pleased to be associated with Africa Technovate 2021 Fair and Awards for the recognition of being an excellent young and innovative tech company charting a path for Africa in the fast digital transforming world.